this tutorial, we're going to show you how to publish campaigns that will be only played back on a specific predefined georeferenced area, and also how to play campaigns based on GPS triggers. So here I have my campaigns. I have 4 campaigns which are interesting ones. So I have ad schedule 1 and 2, and these are generic campaigns that will be kind of always playing. I have another campaign that I named Welcome to New York, and I want this campaign to be played back once somebody is just coming to Manhattan, to New York. And I have this other campaign here that I want this to be added to the play loop while the display is within New York, so it should be played all the time while it's in there. So let's show how we do it. Let's go to players. I have set one demo player. Let's go in there. And let's go into campaigns in this player. As I see, I have no campaigns published there. Just click on the publish campaign to the player button. So let's start publishing the 2 generic campaigns that will be always played back with no restriction. So I'm just selecting the campaigns and publishing to this player. Okay, it's done, it's there, and it's listed here. Now I want to publish another campaign to this player, which is the Welcome to New York. For this one, I want to use the trigger playback, and I want this to be played back when crossing a geofence or georeferenced area. For now, I don't have any region that is preset, so I need to set a specific region. So I click Manage Geo Regions. I need to add a region, and within the map, I want to go to New York. There. I can zoom in, and there are different ways that I can set this specific region. So let me show a bit of the tools here. I can use the circle, so that will allow me to create a big circle. I can set the circle, I can reposition the circle, I can redraw this with different sizes. Okay. To delete that, you just use the right click, it will just put it away. But if you want to make a more detailed region, you can also use this polygon here. And then just click. And basically you're drawing on top of the map the region that you want to define. So let's say that I'm doing this region here. As you see, this can get pretty detailed. And I'm closing this here. Nice. So I want to name it New York. And I want to save it. Save. Okay, now I have my region here. Okay. So basically, I'm selecting this campaign to be published to demo player, and I want this to be played back when crossing the geofence, when entering the region. I could also select while exiting the region, and I want to select the New York region. So that's it. I can publish into my player. So now I have the campaigns that are always on my main loop because they have no restriction, and I have the triggered campaigns. Now to finish, I want also to publish the New York specific campaign, and this will be played back within a specific area. So within the specific region is here. So I just select the region. I could either manage and create a different region, but I want this to be played back in New York. And I publish again. So now I have my 2 campaigns that are always played back. This campaign that will be played back only when the player is within New York. And this 4th campaign here that is going to be played back when exactly I cross any of the boundaries, when I am out of New York and I get into the region that as I predefined as New York. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. I could even add additional filters here, like for example, okay, I want this to always play in New York but only on Monday. The same thing here, I want this to be played back while crossing or while entering New York only on, let's say, noon to 3 o'clock. So there are many ways that you can filter and set this. Thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed.